This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you why Google Gemini is a great way to troubleshoot technical problems. Let's get started with a few easy examples. And we are in Google Gemini right now. This is the 3.0 version of Google Gemini, which means it's pretty advanced. I use the fast setting right here. When I come to Google Gemini, it says enter a prompt, which just basically means ask a question. And you can just use fast in most cases. One thing I'd like to say before we get started, I'm going to use an example. How do I update the latest version of Microsoft Word for Windows? Do not include sensitive or personal information in these prompts or in these chats you have with Google Gemini or any other AI. And the reason is you're not quite sure how Google will use this information. And the other thing is sometimes this information sticks around in your chat history. And if somebody else were to find that, for instance, if you were asking about passwords or something like that, that could be used against you. So I'm going to ask this question: how do I update to the latest version of Microsoft Word for Windows? I'm going to choose the fast setting, and I'm going to press this button that says submit. So it will churn for a little bit, and it basically gives me a step-by-step method to do it using the Word app in Microsoft Word. It tells you exactly where to go and the choices you need to make. The one thing that I really like about Google Gemini is when it gives a technical solution to a problem like this, it will show the steps to do it, and then you can test it immediately. And this is a very fast way to make changes. The other thing is if you notice a problem, for instance, like let's say it says click on File in the top left corner and it says click on Account. And let's say you can't find the Account button. You can ask it and say like, oh, I don't see the Account button. And it will respond to that, which is really, really helpful. And then finally, the other thing that happens with this is it will show links to where it's getting information from. Sometimes the links are good, sometimes they're bad, but at least if I want to check the provenance of this information, it will give me some information about that. I use it all the time for questions about operating systems, software applications. You can see the other day I asked it about iOS do not disturb exceptions. And I basically said, does iOS on the iPhone have a feature that lets certain contacts call you even if you have do not disturb enabled? And it basically confirmed that yes, it does. And it showed me how to change that setting. So Google Gemini is a really powerful way to troubleshoot technical problems. The great thing about it is many of the solutions can be quickly tested, and you can check the sources of the information, which can be very helpful too. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.